Have you ever considered that when you stare into a mirror, that person staring back at you is properly named a reflection? Who you currently are at this moment is nothing more than an accumulation of everything you have done up to this point. Who you are becoming is what you decide to do right now, or what you begin to do tomorrow. A lot of us seem to think that we are something, anything, and that this something is locked into us as we are right now. Well, that isn't true at all. You see, who we are is constantly evolving, changing with your day-to-day experiences. So who you are is nothing more than who you were. To paraphrase Bob Proctor, he says this: think of an acorn. When you place this acorn into the ground, automatically it begins to pull energy out of the soil, and eventually from the sun. But it has no choice but to become an oak tree. But if you crack open this acorn, you will never find an oak tree inside of it. This tree needs to develop, to grow, before you will ever recognize it as a tree. You are just like this acorn, except with one big difference. You have a mind and the ability to become anything you want to be. You can be an oak, a maple, a spruce, literally anything your heart desires. The hard part is realizing that you need to plant yourself, so you can start to also gather this energy that is needed to become what you want to be in life. This process takes time and effort, but so long as you keep at it, there is no way that you won't be successful. It's never too late to try something new or to start a new chapter in your life. All you have to do is literally start. Start where you are and understand that there's always something you can do to get one step closer to living out the life that you want for yourself. You don't have to know what step 2 is, or how you're going to get there. Start with step 1, and when you're ready for the next step, it will appear before you. There's no way that it won't. This is one of the hardest concepts for people to understand, because you might want to know every step of the way so you can be sure that you're on the right path. But so long as you're trying to move yourself forward, you're on the right path. You don't have to see the whole plan start to finish. Just have a little faith in yourself that you're gonna get there. Besides, when do plans ever go as planned? And remember, just because you can't see the finish line doesn't mean that it isn't there waiting for you to cross. If you have as much faith in yourself as I have in you, there's nothing in this world that you can't achieve. So continue to be wonderful and absolutely fantastic. My name is Curran. Thanks for listening.